And we are a manufacturer of wood powder burners. So our focus is to change the fossil-fired boilers, furnaces, where you actually burn oil, gas, and coal, and replace it with, say, renewable fuel. We also do agrofuels, but in principle, doesn't matter what type it is, we mill it down to a very fine powder. And this powder we actually store, and then we feed it pneumatically to the burners. So by doing this, we are reusing the existing boilers, which is a big investment and a lot of work if they're going to be replaced. And there's a lot of assets in old boilers, existing boilers, that can be reused, but in a different way, into renewables. So we have done this for several years. We've done smaller installations, we've done larger installations, but always the thing has been that we go into an existing system, we do our thing in there, and the client gets a new system working with the new fuel and becomes renewable. There is a very big opportunity here in the European Union because we have a very strong focus on renewable, CO2 reduction, and things. So there is a lot of, say, work that has to be done during the coming years. And if everything should be, say, completely new, building new boilers, tearing down the old ones, and there's a very, very high cost for this. So it gives the client an opportunity to actually use these existing assets in a much cheaper way. And it's also faster, because building a new plant there, you have to expect it takes about 1.5 to 2 years. And you have also the permits and things like that. With doing a conversion of an existing boiler, this is without any problem been done in about 6 months. The fuels that we use, as I said before, was wood pellets primary. We do some agro, and the agro part will be a much growing part for the conversion of the energy system in European Union. So we built a pilot installation in Amsterdam. It was a 2.5 megawatt unit. It was designed for difficult fuels, high nitrogen fuels, high ash content in the fuel, and low melting temperatures. And it was working very well. There's always some problems in the beginning. When these were solved, we got a system that worked very, very nice. For a conclusion here, we can say that there is a big opportunity in European Union for changing the energy system, working with renewable fuels for energy production.